Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today we are going camping. We're going to camp at Mellieha campsite. I am Pierre Farrugia, as you well know. For now I'm going to test some new equipment and I got this one. Although this time of the year it's not needed, but it will protect my mattress from any damage. And it's nearly exactly the same size of the tent. Perfect. Today I have some new equipment. I have the Nemo Tensor insulated, which I'm going to try for the first time. Like this. Now I have this small gadget. It's a tiny pump. I got it from AliExpress as well, and we try this one out. So this one, apart from making life easier, doesn't introduce any moisture inside your bed. Let's try it out and see. And it's rechargeable, and you can use it as a light as well. This is the Trekology Pillow 2.0. This one is ready too, and another plus of this one, it has this strap here, so we can put it around and the pillow will not go anywhere. This, and this one is ready here. About this pump, tiny pump, if you do like this, I can use it as a light as well. Now the last things I have. I have my Revelation quilt down, which I will open and then flop up like this. Well, now we are going hopefully for a swim, but I don't think I will swim, but they are going to swim basically. We're going to Slugs Bay, a beautiful bay down here, which involves some trekking, but it's really nice views. We are baking in the sun to go to Slugs Bay. All the swimmers.
Hey!
You going to swim, Stu?
Sure, so.
Mela mux with me, no swim.
On the video.
We try at least, we try.
I brought the flip-flops as well.
Have Wendy with us. So I told you before, to go to Slugs Bay, we need to do some trekking. I already have a video exclusively on Slugs Bay. Nice, huh? And that's Slugs Bay there. Here involves some trekking, and behind me we have the four-wheel drive. Where is the four-wheel drive? Where's Wendy? Wendy, 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 let's go, Wendy. Yeah. This is what involves going down Slugs Bay. You have to go like this, and there. Now we have reached Slugs Bay. This is Slugs Bay here. It's a very small beach, secluded, and from there one can get to open water. But it's really nice here. So we try. We have courage and swim. What do you think? It's cold, yeah?
Yeah, really cold.
How we can fake that we swim today? Maybe now I say I will remove the camera because of the water. Then we get up, we wash our hair, and we put it on again. But it's cold, huh? And take care because we have jellyfishes. How much we are going to go down? Till the knee, well, till the knee we're going to go. But it's not that cold. I thought it's going to be colder. How beautiful here it is. Nice, huh? Wendy is swimming, Gara. And all the others. What we do, Stu? We remove the camera and we swim?
It's a good idea.
Let's hope they will believe us. Wendy. Here we have the places we have to go up. Everywhere we go here is nice. Well, after the swim here, although I didn't swim, but I go into the sea. It's time to go all the way up here. Have to do some trekking again. And with this heat, it's getting tough, huh? Trekking. Now we have made it back to camp. And tonight we're going to have the super hot dogs. My tent is there. This basin tent. And here are the others in the gazebo. And now again some relaxing time. And some more food. We started the cooking, Gara. What we have base here? Because we have our cook. Where is our cook?
Cheese.
Nachos we have. Nachos with cheese, eh? It's only the starter, eh, by the way. Here we have some nachos with cheese. So yeah, we have hot dogs. What are you cooking, Joe?
I'm preparing some mushrooms.
Mushrooms, base.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings, base. Because he's our chef, eh? Some onions now. The smell, eh? We have Joven on the burner today.
On the burner.
Not on the mixer. Well, here we have the wings ready. And I have to check, eh? They are making fun of me, eh? Because as usual I should be on diet. But today I have to eat something. Go.
No, you need
Just
energy.
What do you
energy.
think, guys, eh?
Energy.
There's proteins.
Very good batch. What was that? We're busy doing our hot dogs. We still have these beautiful wings here. We didn't eat nothing till now, we're obese.
Mela.
Why are you laughing, Jovin? Remember, share and we'll see the video. We have Stuart here doing our hot dogs. What are you doing, Stu?
Doing some sauce, special sauce.
Special sauce. Everything by basin, huh?
Of course, so number one. No.
We go to check here. We have Jovin. Soon we're going to eat something. Hey, Jovin.
Yes. We're going to continue.
And we have here full production on the hot dogs. To go the hot dogs. What's the process now? Onions and fungi. Yeah? And what we have? Sauce
Mozzarella.
and cheese. Yeah? One is ready. Jumbo hot dogs.
لا جبن حاجة بسكينة.
And now it's the time to eat again. Something light now. But now for dessert we have some halwa that torque. Rania is taking
Thank you.
some.
Cheers, eh?
Oh, I'm going to take it. You want some?
No, I don't like.
Well, I take a piece. Only a small one, though. I take with the rozo. A piece. Perfect, huh? Now it's time to go to bed. So I tell you good night and see you in the morning. Good morning everyone. As you can see, the sun is up. It's going to be a beautiful morning. I slept super comfortable with this Nemo bed and this quilt. It's amazing. It's 0 degrees and I didn't feel hot. But this morning it's a sauna here because it's 24 degrees. So let's start our beautiful day and enjoy this camp. What are you doing, Erjun?
We are preparing our breakfast lunch.
Because
But
now
we
it
haven't
is
taken anything here.
2 o'clock. We have some bacon here because we need a breakfast too. This is the second breakfast actually. Though. Based in here we are doing some sausages as well. So we have English breakfast today.
Healthy.
Healthy, yeah, healthy. We have Stuart doing the eggs and the chef. Because today we have English breakfast, although we are in Malta. You know what's the funny thing? That in Malta we eat English breakfast. Then we go to London and they give you a continental breakfast.
That's true.
Healthy, yeah, today.
Of course, with no oil. Important.
We do have some healthy food as well. Some onions and tomatoes. We have an update from here, from base. Here they are getting better, and we have some pork sausages. Maltese sausage.
Maltese sausage.
Important. Little sausage.
That's
And this is
turkey and
some leftovers from yesterday. The brunch is looking good, yeah? Here we have the place being assembled. And now we have the brunch ready, yeah, to eat. Healthy brunch. These are eating already, yeah? Let's eat now. And now I started to dismantle my tent and putting everything away. It was a very pleasant break with my friends here camping at Ahrax. We did some nice adventures, although I didn't swim. I was feeling it too cold. Now I leaving everything to dry a little bit and then we go home and have a shower. Remember to subscribe to my channel and until next time, bye bye.